what we're gonna be cutting up today or testing out are cucumber, zucchini, and then I have an onion as well.
Wow. Like butter. Be careful now.
I know, be careful with your...
It's cutting so easy, so smooth.
Yeah,
I didn't even think I thought it was getting stuck at first. Let me just stop.
Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. And
welcome back.
Sorry. Alright, so today we're going to be doing another product review for GodMorn. So they were kind enough to send us another product to review. So right now we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So Lee's going to open the box.
She tried to give me the key, y'all. I told her, man, I need no key.
Alrighty, so this was sent to me a couple weeks ago, but as you guys know, I was sick, so I'm just getting around to doing it. Oh, is it red?
Yeah.
Okay, so
first, let's show it to him real quick.
First impression, this is what it looks like straight out the box. Move the box out of the way.
Alright, that's what it looks like.
And let's see. Yeah, it did. It just opened up.
But the box
so
is
this is a mandolin vegetable, I guess, slicer, and it's made by the company GodMorn, the same company that we reviewed the knife for. Okay, so it's just red on the outside of the box. So when you open it up, that's the box, as he shows you already, and this is what it looks like.
Oh, actually, yeah, it gave us one on this side too, with the right color. So I guess it comes in two styles.
Oh, okay, it comes in two different colors. Okay.
Possibly more now.
Alright, so this is what it looks like here. Wrapped in plastic. Wrapped in stuff, and it comes with different attachments. Oh, okay, so I see.
You can make waffle fries with this, it says.
Yeah, you can make a lot of stuff.
I see waffle fries right here. Boy, we're making some waffle fries in the deep fry, yeah.
So it comes with that, and then okay, so here's the like the protective guard that comes on top that you stick inside so you don't cut your finger.
Oh.
So it has that as well. So that here. Then it also comes with
like a pillow of some type, sort.
Okay. Does it have like anything else in the box?
It was a piece of instructions. No, it wasn't instructions. It was just delivery pack.
Okay, so
questionnaire.
Oh, okay. So this kind of looks like
a potato peeler.
Yeah, like a peeler.
Well, so I'm assuming it's not that difficult to get situated. So
I don't see any instructions on how to use it. So
that's one. And each of these are different blades.
Yeah, so I guess you pull it out and
those blades are kind of tight to get out of there.
And then do you just run it across?
Well, like you run it across, but you interchange your blades right there. Looks like.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. You know, wash it for our first use, and we'll be back and show you guys
what it can do.
Yeah. All right, so I looked it up and I found what everything was. So let's see. So this is the steady handle. This particular piece right here is the ceramic blade peeler. This is your safe finger guard, so you don't cut your fingers whenever you're using the mandolin. They have the interchangeable stainless steel blades that go right here. And then they have the anti-slip silicone pad that's right. And then as far as the blades, one is a wavy slicer. So this is a wavy slicer. Then we have the 3mm, the 3mm julienne and the 4mm julienne, which are those. 3 and a 4mm julienne, and then we also have a 1.5 and a 2.5 slicer. So we have these two. One is 1.5 and one is a 2.5 slicer, and then we also have a grater, and that's what this one is. So those are the different pieces there.
So this actually grates?
Yeah, it's a grater. That's what it says. Okay, so I would say that would be one thing that I feel like the box needs to definitely include its instructions. So it comes like this, and you put the this part on top. I do wish it would snap in some type of way to make for a better or sturdier use. We're going to be using the wavy slicer, and then we're going to use, is this the 1.5 or 2.5? One of the, I think this might be the 2.5. It is. Oh, the 2.5, yeah, because it looks bigger. Millimeter julienne. I'm sorry, not julienne, but the 2.5 millimeter slicer. We're just going to use those two today. What we're going to be cutting up today or testing out are cucumber, zucchini, and then I have an onion. But we're going to be using the GodMorn chef knife that we reviewed before. If you missed that review, we're going to link it above so you can check that out as well. So I'm going to use this one, which is the wavy. Alright, so I'll cut the bottom off. And the table is clean, so y'all, this knife is amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the back of it off, and then let's see. I don't know if I should hold it down, but let's see. Looks like pickles.
Yeah. Take those up right there. Take them up, batter them up, fry them up. Fry little kidney chips.
Wow, it cuts really good.
Yeah.
I like it.
Nice stainless steel there.
Yeah, that's really good. Wow, you can have little zucchini chips. You can use these to make like...
You can make kettle cooked chips. You can make your own potato chips.
Yeah, with the potato. Yeah, that's true. Or you can make these zucchini chips. I don't know if you can bake them or put them with, you know.
In salad, however you like.
Yeah. And they come out very nice. Pretty. Very nice, very pretty. Yes, and I happen to love zucchini. Well, I like zucchini. I'm not gonna say I love zucchini, but when I have it, like when I go to the Cheesecake Factory, I'll get it, and it's good. So, all right, yeah.
Actually, doing too much nothing.
It's raw. You gotta cook it.
Oh, you have to cook it?
Well, I thought so. So next is the cucumber. You want to use that one or you want to use this one? This.
Yeah, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the 2.5 blade. Throw it off inside of there. I'll start off on the non-sprouted end.
You might want to hold that.
Wow. Like butter. Be careful now.
I know, be careful with your...
It's cutting so easy, so smooth.
Yeah, it
I didn't even think I thought it was getting stuck at first. Let me just stop.
And they nice little chips. Ooh, this will make great pickles.
Look at that.
It will. Look how that looks. That's precision. Very nice. I like it. Very nice and uniform sizes, and they smell so good.
Pickle these up, add your little hot flavor, add your little garlic flavor, got you some garlic, homemade
Add
pickles.
some Italian dressing, robust Italian dressing.
Salad.
Mm-hmm.
3 things are horrible
Just,
without being pickled.
they're just plain cucumbers. No salt or anything, so it doesn't taste like
much. At least some salad dressing or something.
Yeah. Last but not least, we're going to do our onion.
Look at that, guys. Look at that clean cut on that. Look at it, guys. Clean cut.
This knife is amazing, y'all. It's amazing. So this is the safe finger guard. We're going to use that to poke it with. I mean, it's cutting it good. I probably don't know what I'm doing, but
I probably want to use that for onion.
Yeah, maybe not for onion, but that's just another vegetable I had. So, but it slices it nice. I
use that mostly for like standing, like carrots, cucumbers, pickles.
But yeah, it still cut it. If you can see, it still cut it nice. I don't really want to put that on the thing with the I don't want to put that on there. Or I would use like, you can grate your onions with it, or like something like a different, or julienne. I might not use the slicer for it. Like I wouldn't use this blade. I would probably use a different blade to cut up onions, depending on how I want the onions.
Yeah, I want to try this on a potato.
Yes.
All right. So I have a potato. Let's see. Let's do it the long way or the short way. Let's see if we can make some wavy Lay's potato chips.
Some wavy Lay's. Yep, look wavy to me.
Oh, it is like a waffle fries. Look. Oh. Nah. Potato chips. Oh, these gonna be some potato chips.
I know.
This is my potato chip maker.
Some like thin, crispy fries. Watch your fingers.
All right, guys. Look at that. Oh, you can't see it. It's too bright.
Nice. They'll make some nice chips. Yep, they sure will. Make some nice little chips.
You make scallions.
Ooh, scalloped potatoes. Like scalloped potatoes.
That's what I meant to say. I said scallions.
Yes, that's very nice.
With cheese, a little garlic.
Ooh, that would be really good.
I got a little recipe I'll do with that.
Put it in a little dish. That would be really good for that.
Take some chicken breast, marinate it up a little bit.
That sounds really delicious. So, yeah, I'm going to have to give this GodMorn Mandoline 2 thumbs up. I mean, I must admit in the beginning I didn't know how I felt about it, because when we opened it, the only 2 things I would say is that it didn't have instructions, and then I kind of felt like I didn't know if this would be sturdy enough, but you do have to make sure, you know, just make sure that you're being careful whenever you're using it. Yeah. But I love the way it cuts your vegetables, and I love the different blades and the quality of the blades. I really, really do. So I would recommend that if you guys would like a mandoline, to purchase this one. At first, like I said, I didn't know what I would feel about it, but then after using it, I really, really like it. So, I mean, if you like a mandoline, of course, you can use a knife if you want to, or whatever else. But if you like a mandoline and different blades on how you cut up your vegetables, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and purchase this. We likes it. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's okay, you know. Like slicing stuff thinly, I would say this would be more preferred for. Pretty decent. One thing I did notice is that it would have kept these whole instead of making them loose. It'd have been
that particular attachment, it does that.
You want to make some pickles or some slice for
depending on what you're into and what you would like to make, you know, this can be definitely something that you could use in the kitchen depending on what you. Alright, so that was our honest review on the GodMorn Mandoline. If you guys are interested, we're going to leave a link down below in the description box. And you can go check it out for yourself and see how you like it. That's it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment down below letting us know what you think of the product. And thank you so much again for joining us. Until next video. Peace.